Hi friends, today I teach about simple login screen with MVP architecture. Here, open a new project with the empty activity. Give a project name. Here I give login demo with MVP. I choose prefer language Java. Still, the project was loading. Meanwhile, I teach about what is MVP. Model view present. Here, model class contain a business logic of a module. View contain a UI component which is hold the all UI context, that's kind of things. Presenter was the intermediate between model and view. That's uh, that's a MVP core. Okay. Okay. The project was synced. First, I should design a simple structure of login screen. For my convenient, I change it to linear for simple. Okay. Okay. Uh, it's my simple line screen design. Here I focus on MVP structure, so I didn't focus on design aspect. Okay. Simple username and password line button. Okay. First I declare a UI part. Here I declare a UI components. Now I going to initialize map the UI part uh, to this corresponding components. Now I create a mini function for initialize the value. For simplify for shortcut purpose, press Ctrl and T for replicate same code to next line, which is help to improve your speed, coding speed. Okay, now I okay I declare a click listener for line button. While line button clicked, this event will called. Here I need to put business logic. That logic will be present in model class. Once I click this button, the logic will trigger. I mean that logic will calculate it from model class, and it will be communicate to view. Now I will show you how to declare that model and presenters. Now I going to declare interfaces. for presenter and view model classes as well. First of all, I change the activity name. First, I create a view interface for communicate view communication. Then I create a presenter. Then I create presenter interface. Now I'm going to create model class. Okay. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to create 5 files for achieve MVP pattern. This one is activity. This one is view interface. This one is login presenter model implement. I mean login presenter implementation, which one which this class to implement login presenter. Now I going to implement those things step by step. First, you declare methods. Declare essential methods in login presenter interface. This onCreate method help to declare a presenter and view model instance. I will show you while creating. Implement this interface to the login presenter implementation class. So those methods will override. Yes, this is the first step, guys. Here I declare a login view interface instance here. And create a constructor for initialize the login view. Now I declare a constructor for initialize the login view. Now I am going to activity implements login view interface here. Then oops, I forgot to call this method. First I call. Okay. After login view interface implement here, define a presenter. Then declare the presenter. I mean, initialize the presenter here. Here, if you forget to implement login view, here you face the issue here, the error issue here. Because once you pass the instance of this class, you must be declare what kind of interface you should declare in presenter class. Here you declare login view interface here. Same interface you must be implement here. Then only you can pass instance or listener, anything. Okay, once you initialize the presenter, you can call the method do line. Now once you click on the login button, the presenter, this method will be triggered. Okay, now I going to implement model class here. Before initialize model class, you must be declare model listener. For declare model listener, go to model login model class. Here declare interface. Here I actually make one small mistake here. Actually login model is an interface. I need to change the name. Login model implementation. Okay. And I create an interface for login model. Okay. I implement login model to here. Login model implementation. Now I create a constructor for this model listener. Now I am going to implement this model listener to presenter class, because I earlier said presenter is a intermediate between view and model. Okay. Now I am going to put a logic in model class. This is the login model. Here first I declare a method here for model class. Same do login and do login logic. Once I declare that method, that method should be automatically comes under override. Here I put logic empty. Listener. Listener is nothing but model listener. I changed the name for avoid confusion. Not show error message. Enter user. Okay. Here I validate two values, username and password. If it's what empty, I show the error message. Otherwise, I show it. I show the login successful message. Okay. So now I newly create two methods for this for apply this logic. Here, this method for show error message if the data was wrongly entered or if the data was empty. These things I will show error here. This method will trigger uh, if I got a required data. I will go on success method. This is a simple things I implement here. Now I'm going to the model. I mean model listener implemented area presenter. That's called presenter. It shows error message because I create two methods in that interface. This interface. I declared two methods. Now I go to override that. Okay. Okay. Now the two methods were override. Okay. So before I enter the, I call the view method, I should declare methods here. Here I declared show toast message function. Then I declare another method for login successful. Uh, Hello, next screen. Okay, I declare two methods for view. Now I am going into presenter class. Okay, okay. Now I am communicate with view class. Okay, show post message. Change this variable name message. Message. If the error, if the data was correct, I allow that one. Allow to. If the data was correct, I should call allow to next screen. Now I going to show how it's work. Once I click the login button, it's triggered this event. Here I call a presenter method, do login. Here I pass the that values. Yeah, this one. Once I call now, it will be calls in presenter method. Here I implement I call a model class method, so it's called this method. Here a model class contain the entire logic, business logic. If a data was got error, trigger this method. This method goes to presenter screen. Presenter screen will communicate view screen. I earlier explained the presenter is a intermediate between login view and model. Here show toast. If it was failure, show toast message. If it's success, allow to next screen or whatever you are convenient. So I run this program and show the output of this. Okay, I run this program. Okay, here I entered sample on data. Okay. Just I entered test password somewhat. The line successfully lining because I entered both data. If I enter empty now, it will should not allow enter. It shows enter password. So do any logic now, it should communicate to presenter. The presenter should communicate to model class like this. Yeah, I hope these examples should clearly understand what is MVP. Thank you.